The last two problems on page 30 of your note packet are solving exponential equations. So for part E, you have this equation, and notice your exponential is over here. We're trying to solve for x. So we want to get rid of the 275 first, and it's hooked by multiplication. So again, to undo multiplication, we do division to both sides. And if you do the division, 825 divided by 275 comes up to number 3. Now this one is a little bit easier to do than some of the ones that we've done in the past, because you could really just look at this one and say, well, 3 to what power gives me back 3? That power has to be the number 1. And you'd be correct. And that's really all the work you'd have to show. Now, if you didn't realize that, you could go back to, well, it's an exponential, so I need to rewrite it as a logarithm. This is kind of going the long way about the problem. Log base 3 of 3 equals the power. And you could use a property of logarithms that would say the answer is 1. Or, if you still didn't recognize, you could do change of base, natural log over natural log, and then the number on top, or the argument goes on the top, the base to the bottom, and any number divided by itself is also the number 1. So there's a couple of different ways that you could come about that answer. For question F, this one's not quite as intuitive. You're going to have to really solve this one out. Here's my exponential with a variable up here and the exponent. So I want to move everything over to the other side as much as possible, but I can't just pick stuff up and move it. I have to undo. So the first thing I notice is the 10 out here is hooked by addition, and it's a positive 10. So I'm going to subtract 10 first away from the exponent. That's 100 times e to the negative 0.05x power. So to get rid of the 100, it's hooked by multiplication. We undo multiplication by a division step, the division property. And then you can reduce 50 over 100 down, or you can do the division with your calculator. Either way, it's going to come up a half, or 0.5. Equals e to the minus 0.05x. Unlike the previous problem, this one you can't just look at and go, oh, well, x is, 1 or whatever. You can't just look at it. So you are going to have to use logarithms to solve this problem out. It's an exponential. To undo an exponent, we use logs. The base of the exponent is the base of the logarithm. So it's log base e of 0.5 equals negative 0.05x. Another name for log base e is natural log. And if I'm looking for an exact answer first, I want to solve for x. So to get the x by itself, it's hooked to the negative 0.05 by multiplication. So again, one more division property here. Divide off by the number in front. So negative 0.05 divided by itself will cancel out to 1x, so just x equals. So the exact answer, natural log of 0.5 divided by negative 0.05, would be my exact answer. For a decimal approximation, that's where you'd pick up your calculator and do the division, and it should come out to about 13.863 when you round.